Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? We've got some mail to open. Bottom package is from the blacksmith, HonakerBlacksmithing, and the top one is a surprise from my old buddy Dean McGarry. Been friends with him for going on 3 years now. That's pretty crazy. We met when we were moderators on the old Buck and Billy Ray Facebook page and have just stayed in contact and become good friends, which has been fun to have somebody on a different continent to talk to. But anyway, he said a couple of weeks ago that, hey, I sent you something. And so, of course, with the declarations, there was no guessing or anything. So, but I'm hopeful, but whatever it is, it's going to be awesome. And then we have some forest axes. We have 6 forest axes in this box that were actually mailed out on the 23rd of October and got stuck in a distribution center in St. Louis. It arrived, according to the tracking, this arrived at 8 p.m. in the morning, and that afternoon they had a chemical spill of mercury. So OSHA came in and shut the whole place down, and I didn't get these until the 6th of November. So we're glad to have these because that's quite a bit of money just sitting out there wondering if it's going to show up or not. But anyway, let's get to it, and we'll go from there. For their forest axes. And it's just always such fun getting stuff from James. Oh, my toots, you really want me to throw the ball. Okay. It's relentless. Right. Okay. Ooh. 2, 4, 6. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh boy. Look at that. So, yeah. Oh boy. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. CFA, Casterman Forest Axe. Beautiful. And see, he's got the middle spot that is up higher than the rivets, so the blade doesn't touch the rivets. I'm gonna go throw this on the scale and throw the ball, and I'll be back in a jiffy. All right. 2 pounds, 12 ounces. Let's check what we've got, what our angle is. Let's see if I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna say 22 and a half. 25, I like it. Good all around edge. Profile is sort of in the middle. It's very beefy and robust. I'm sure being hand done, they will be a little bit. So I will, if you specify what you want, if I have it, I'll send it to you. But oh man. Let's see what we got here. Dean, you shouldn't have, but I'm glad you did. Oh, it's going to be amazing. Adds to the story of another axe. Axes are about stories. Oh boy, look at this guy. Oh lordy. Oh, this is a plum. Oh man, look at that. It's a plum. It's got an embossing on it. Oh boy. Or, I don't know, I'll have to do some research. Sorry, I was standing in the way. Look at that. Dino, thank you. Oh man, she's a beaut. It looks like the dude with the golf club. So I think it is a plum. But and there's some scroll work here on the embossing, but wow. Wow. Thanks, Dean. You rock. All right, you crazy people. I will catch you later. And thanks for watching. Hey, like and subscribe. It really helps us, if you would, please. And we'll catch you in the next bit.